In this video, I'll show you how to increase the font size of the text in the announcement bar. And for the purpose of this example, I'm using Dawn theme. So first of all, log into your Shopify admin account, and then click on the online store. And then look for Dawn theme, in my case it's version 15.2.0, and then select Customize. And then on the left, look for the header, and then click on the announcement bar. And then scroll all the way to the bottom, and then look for the custom CSS section. Let's expand it, and right in here, we're going to be adding the CSS rule. But at first, let me go back to my site, and then right-click on the announcement bar, and then select Inspect. And let's find the class selector for the announcement bar text. And in my case, it's announcement-bar _message h5. Okay, so now let's go back. Let's type the CSS rule right in here. So type the following: .announcement-bar _message.h5. Open left and right curly braces. Then make sure the cursor is in between, and then press enter. On the next line, type font size, colon, space. As an example, let's change it to 16 pixels. And then make sure to add the semicolon at the end. Also, in case you wish to make this text a bit more bolder, let's add another property. Press enter. On next line, type font-weight, colon, space, bold, followed by semicolon. And there's the result. As you can see, the text is now a bit more bolder. Once finished, just save the changes. Then go back to the website and try refreshing it. And this is what the announcement bar text will look like on desktop. In case you wish to view it on mobile, select responsive design mode. And then let's change it to Galaxy S20 as an example. And that's on mobile. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. If for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.